Sometimes camping trips are a blast, and sometimes they're not.
We're at Ricketts Glen State Park.
At the end of September, we headed to Ricketts Glen State Park for a weekend of camping. We stayed at Site 17, which was a nice big site next to the bathroom. This was our first camping stay at the campground, but we've been coming to Ricketts Glen for years to hike the Falls Trail and swim and play on the shores of Lake Jean. Jim came up early with Harper and James. They spent the evening playing Uno and dominoes and even made a raccoon friend. Unfortunately, Jim discovered a voltage problem with our camper. Ricketts Glen has no hookups, so we had no lights or water pump. So we had to revert back to our tent and pop-up camping ways for the weekend. Yeah.
Yeah.
The skies were getting cloudy, but there had been no rain in the weekend forecast, so we decided to walk the beach trail to find a nice place to fish. So this is the first camping trip we've taken with just the 5 of us this year. Every other trip we've taken, we've had people come with us, so this is just us.
We are embarking on a magical journey to fish. What are we gonna catch?
Fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Monster fish.
Fish.
Gigantic fish.
That was not the direction I would have suggested. Yeah. What? Sure. It's less misty under here, and it's got a cushy seat.
Hello everybody, so today we are fishing and it is raining. I found this little leaf tree house and I think it's really cute. Let me just show you around. Oh, this is my mom. Okay, so back to me. So my brother is out there fishing. You can see him. My sister and my dad just left. So yeah, that's what happened. It is so fun that I can watch my brother fish.
There was no way for us to know that this rain was coming. It wasn't in the forecast, and we have no cell service here to check the radar. So that's just how it goes.
So fishing was a dud, but camping trip's not. We've had a really good time. It was sunny this morning, and now it's raining and being super annoying. This camping trip was a dud, right?
Well, this fishing trip was a dud.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't know
Right,
it was going
Harper?
to rain. Harper is not properly dressed as normal, so I'm giving her my shirt.
I'm wearing long sleeves.
Yeah, you're wearing long sleeves. Okay, you ready? Is it better?
So hopefully this is good.
All right, we have a mile to walk back, okay?
Let's go onward. It's raining.
I would just like to point out that it has not rained here in weeks, like actual weeks. And we take a 1 mile walk for a fishing trip, and now it's raining. We are making memories. We made it back, Harper.
Yes, we did.
Made it back in the rain. Is everything all soaked? What are those for?
What?
These.
What are they for?
What are they doing with them?
Well, I have a red light on the fridge now. So
Ah. So this morning, Hope and I came down here, and it was gorgeous, and the sky was blue, and there was reflection on the water. This is what the lake looks like now. So this weekend has been very challenging on the spirit, wouldn't you say? Between the camper problems and the unpredicted day of rain. Day of
rain.
And the unpredicted day of rain.
I love the rain.
So they're in there playing rolly ball. Like, it's miserable, we're out here raining, but all three of our kids, including our teenager, are inside playing some game where they roll the ball on the floor of the camper.
That about sums up this weekend.
Yeah. Rolly ball. I feel like we should come up with some positives. You had a nice night last night after you
This weekend sucked.
It does, well, it's not ideal.
No.
It's not ideal. But you guys had a nice dinner last night.
Last night we played games. It was fun. It was fine.
Yeah, we all slept fine. We made coffee this morning using our coffee maker without electricity. So that was pretty sweet. Hope and I took a really nice walk this morning, and it was sunny for about the first fifth of the day. And we had a nice walk to the beach, and then that's where it started to go downhill. Trying to keep a positive attitude, but it's hard.
It's not supposed to rain until Tuesday.
Yeah.
It hasn't rained here in weeks.
True.
Africa, Antarctica, Asia. 1, 2, 3, anything you want.
What is magma called when it erupts from a volcano? So it's been 24 hours and it's still raining. I had hoped that it would stop and we could do something this morning, but the something we're going to do is going to be packing up and going home.